Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj. Monday, May 17th, 1999, 8 am. We want to warn you once again. You are going to face difficult times. We do not mean to throw you into a panic, but you would better prepare yourself mentally. Your scientists are sorcerers' apprentices. Under pretext of going towards progress and the discovery of other worlds, they put the earth in a dangerous position. Could chaos be avoided? By defying the natural laws one plays with fire. What is taking place in the earth is serious. The monstrous pride of certain men makes them believe they are geniuses. How can their madness be stopped? We may not succeed. There are such stakes in this climb: national glories, money, powers. This power of the evil is difficult to control. We can only wait and try to preserve what can be preserved. Dear children, we cannot give you a miracle solution to preserve you. God is great. Keep faith and hope for more serene days where you will no longer have to fear the madness of your fellow creatures. Take refuge in sure values and be as much as possible in union with the Creator. Babuji. Monday, May 17th, 1999, 10 am. Don't become alarmed too much by these remarks. There is a time for everything. In the face of all prophecies being made, we must warn you and not frighten you. Certain catastrophes are possible. They will perhaps be avoided. Try to remain calm and follow your path each day. Which human can change the course of the things when a fire of this kind is lit? Only faith and hope in God must guide your life, whatever the events. Be surrendered to the divine providence. Babuji. Tuesday, May 18th, 1999, 8 am. Forget your miseries. Come to join us. The medium asks, how long will I stand it, Babuji? Don't worry. Keep doing what you can without thinking of tomorrow. You spend your time projecting yourself into the future. You hold both at the same time. It is too much. There too, you do not have all power to run your life. You can influence it by a positive view. Therefore, you should disregard that which is not so. Control your thoughts. Do not let them overcome you and enslave you. Build yourself a universe of beauty in spite of everything. You do not let yourself be trapped in the nets of Maya all the time. It is not easy to manage real difficulties and to avoid extrapolating. Eliminate what comes on top of these problems, that is, the fear of tomorrow. It blows up everything. It is not easy to get rid of it. In this, as in anything else, one should strike the balance between dreaming of an ideal life and letting oneself be gripped in the claws of a gloomy future. There is a happy medium which one should stick to. Whatever may happen to you, we do not abandon you. Your best is always preserved. Babuji. Tuesday, May 18th, 1999, 10 am. You have been always so courageous. You are not going to collapse now. Pull yourself together. That cannot comfort you, but you have set an example for those who can see beyond appearances. You are not easy to understand. You are not easy to understand. Some are mistaken in this. Do not lose heart, my daughter. You are at the same time strong and fragile in your body, like a precious mechanism. Only wise people can understand it. Try to react and put into practice what we have mentioned above. Do not have vain fears which hurt you. Accept the present, only it. Surrender. We love you and bless you, Babuji.